Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, have you ever gone to Expo Center? Why do we go there? Yes, we go there to attend an exhibition. What is an exhibition, students? An exhibition is a process of displaying a collection of things. Today we are going to begin our new lesson with the name An Exhibition. This is your chapter number 4 on page number 19. But before starting reading the text, as usual, we will drill the keywords first. Exhibition, exhibition, hobby, hobby, rock, childhood, appreciated, appreciated, response, response, probably, probably, uttered, uttered, mum, mum, stamps, stamps, surprise, surprise, anxious, anxious, rare, rare, appears, appears, excited, excited, clapped, clapped. Dear students, now open your books on page number 19. This is your new chapter, that is chapter number 4. The topic is an exhibition. Mr. Qazi was standing before his class. Mr. Qazi asked, "Did you enjoy exhibition yesterday?" All hands went up to say yes. "Good," said Mr. Qazi. "What did you like best in the exhibition, Akbar?" Akbar stood up and said, "I liked paintings the best, sir. They looked so beautiful." "Why did you like the paintings?" Akbar, "Painting is my hobby and I have a good collection of paintings of my own." अकबर ने पेंटिंग्स जमा कर रखी हैं क्योंकि ये उसका शौक है, उसका मशगला है. रिजवान stood up next. "I like the rocks best. You see, I collect rocks too. I have been doing so since my childhood. It's my hobby, but the rocks there I had never seen before." Yes, students, Rizwan has been collecting rocks or stones. It is his hobby. Student, what's the hobby of Akbar? Akbar's hobby is to collect paintings. Mr. Qazi appreciated Rizwan's response. The reason is that the rocks in the exhibition had come from all over the world, and the rocks that you have in your collection were probably found near your own house. Mr. Qazi appreciated, उन्होंने तारीफ की, रिजवान की रिस्पॉन्स की, जवाब की, and told him that probably, perhaps, शायद, कि वो जो पत्थर उसने जमा किए हैं वो घर के आसपास से इकट्ठे किए हैं, लेकिन ये पत्थर सारी दुनिया से आए थे. Everybody in the class said one thing or the other, but one boy sat mum all the time. He had not uttered a word all this while. He had not uttered, कुछ नहीं बोला. Sat mum, खामोश बैठा रहा. What's wrong with you today, Salim? भाई तुम्हारे साथ सलीम, तुम्हारे साथ क्या मसला हो गया है? Said Mr. Qazi to this boy, "You have not spoken today. Didn't you like anything in the exhibition?" Salim said, "Sir, I have been collecting stamps for quite some times now and I didn't see stamps in the exhibition. ये बच्चा सलीम स्टैम्प्स कलेक्ट करता था लेकिन इसे एग्जीबिशन में कोई स्टैम्प्स दिखाई नहीं दी. Mr. Qazi said, "Yes, you are right. There was no stall of stamp there. It's a very popular hobby," Mr. Qazi said. Stamp collection is a very popular hobby. Mr. Qazi said, "I have a surprise for all of you." आप सबके लिए हैरानी की बात है. Everybody looked anxious. Everybody looked anxious. हर शख्स बच्चा जो था वो फिक्रमंद हो गया. Let's have an exhibition at school and let everybody bring his own collection. ले जी, उस्ताद ने स्कूल में एग्जीबिशन अनाउंस कर दी है कि जिसके पास जो कलेक्शन है वो लेकर आए. सलीम, will you bring your stamps? Salim, you will bring your stamps. Will you? Yes, sir, said Salim. Mr. Qazi then asked the class if they had a hobby. Sadiq, sir, I have been collecting pictures of great leaders. I'll bring my collection of pictures. Asif, sir, I have been collecting coins. I'll bring them too. Some of those coins are very rare, very special. Shiraz, sir, I have been collecting postcards of other countries. I'll bring those. Aslam, I have been collecting seashells. Seashells, ghunge. Kashif, my sister has a big collection of dolls. She has been collecting dolls from other countries and has been making dolls herself. I would like to bring some of those dolls to the exhibition. Students, who wants to bring collection of dolls for school exhibition? Yes, Kashif wants to bring collection of dolls for school exhibition. Mr. Qazi said, "It appears you have all been doing a good job. It seems all set now. It seems all set now." सारा काम, सारी बात, सारा मामला तय हो गया. Please bring your collections to school next Thursday for the exhibition. The children were so excited today. They all clapped. They liked the idea of a school exhibition. Yes, students, who introduced the idea of school exhibition for the students? Yes, Mr. Qazi introduced the idea of school exhibition for the students. Yes, students, now this is the time to close the study. But before closing, you are awarded homework. The homework is to read the text at least 5 times and learn the spellings with their meanings. Okay, students, we will meet inshallah tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum.